All right. Can you hear my voice? Those on the Zoom chat, can you hear my voice? Those on YouTube, can you hear my
Yeah,
voice?
yeah, I can hear you,
All right.
bro.
Great. We are going to start soon. All right. Great. I just put this on next. All
Good evening,
right.
bro.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm good.
All right. So today is 4th March. This whole week I never did any live stream.
But
But
I'm checking the system one I found. It's not like that.
let's when you join, kindly mute your audio. When you join, kindly mute your audio. All right. So this whole week I never traded live, and I've been trading on my phone, not with the PC. But I'm back. Happy to be back to the PC. Hope everyone is good. Today live streams NFP in 58 minutes. But we are going to do some setups and take some trades, for NFP. That's what we are going to do. I've made the setups already, so I'll just explain why I took those trades, blah 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 blah, and we take the trades. If you have any other opinions, you can also let me know too. Right, so that's what we are going to do today. We are going to also talk about some fundamentals too, right? And we would learn something too. Today I'm going to teach trading plan, how to have a trading plan. If you don't have a trading plan, how do you now beseech a trading plan? We are going to talk about that today. All right, I hope everyone is good. Those on the Zoom, I hope everyone is good. Everyone can hear me loud and clear.
Yes, we can hear you.
All right, great. I hope my screen too is clear. So first thing first, if this is your first time watching me on live streams, watching my live streams, welcome. We have a common rule that we do here. We currently have 183 viewers with low likes. Let's boost the likes up. So if you are here, kindly like. Today we are going to make money. So kindly like, not just making money, but also learning. So kindly like. Let's at least get 150 likes from 180 views. I know a lot of people are coming, right? It's just 3 minutes into the session. All right. So let me know where you are coming from too. So today is 4th March 2022, live NFP streams. People have been asking what is NFP. I will explain NFP and how to trade it. We are going to trade live, so you are going to understand how to trade an NFPs. All right. Today we are just going to be trading forex and stocks. No synthetics, no cryptocurrencies. Though I'll be talking about Bitcoin too, but we are not going to trade cryptocurrencies today. We are not going to trade synthetics too. This live stream I do it every 13:30 GMT. That's 1:30 GMT to 15:30 GMT. But we are doing this earlier because of the news that's going to be released much earlier, right? So we are going to also be talking about technical and fundamental analysis, and plus I'm going to be giving signals here. I only trade New York session, but I'm trading earlier because of the news. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube if you haven't. Share the link to other people to subscribe. Ask questions, share ideas, suggestions on comment section. Have fun as you learn. Don't insult anyone. We are one. If you disagree with me on a trade, kindly prompt me in the comment section and I would attend to you. Follow me on all my socials. My Instagram is elvisjusticeofficial_, and my Twitter is elvisjusticebedi, or man of serendipity. That's my Twitter. I do post a lot of chat updates there. And for synthetics, those that have been trading synthetics, step index, VIX, you guys have been asking me which broker does trade that. This is the broker that trades it. So link in bio, and just register with this broker, and this is my recommended broker. I don't force anyone to use it. Eagle FX, that's my recommended broker. You can use whatever broker you want to use or you feel free of using, and you can join me and take some trades. All right, this is a link to my Telegram community. I woke up to 60,000 subscribers today. Amazing. All right, so this is the link to my Telegram community. This is the you can decide to make payments to, if you want to join my VIP or mentorship. Is not, compulsory. All right, and this is the most important part of this whole intro. I'm not a financial advisor. All content I provide here is strictly for educational purposes, and I'm not promising anyone guaranteed money. Trade at your own risk. Apply proper risk management. Risk funds or money that you can afford to lose. I always say this, and I'll keep on saying this. I'm going to do my best to take right setups, but market is a market. Sometimes things can happen. I hope everyone is good. Yes, I'm from Kenya, from Nigeria. Okay, I'm from Accra, Ghana. I'm from Uganda. Nice. I'm from Sweden. Okay, I don't know anything about trading. I have interest in it. I'm here to give a glimpse. Okay, great. I hope we make money today. All right, so we have NFP in 40 minutes. I'm looking at few trades today. My first trade is going to be on Nasdaq. I took Nasdaq sales. I'm expecting a crash on stocks today. It will start with Nasdaq, US 30. You guys know these pairs, right? It will start with them before it starts with the core stock. So I'm bearish on Nasdaq. My TP is wide. My stop loss is also wide, because it's a swing trade. I see Nasdaq crashing to 13k. Maybe today or on Monday. But like I always say this, right? I always say that before I even continue, how many likes do we have? Oh, come on, guys. We are almost 300 and we have 130 likes. Let's push this to at least 200 likes. 200 likes, and we continue talking about today's setups and trades that we are going to take. 200 likes. Those on the Zoom, do you guys have any trade you are looking at?
I'm looking at gold. I just bought gold from from dips, and I'm still looking that it will clear the highs it created.
Okay, so, at what price did you buy gold?
It's like 1930.
1930. Okay. So let's take this to 200 likes. If you just join, kindly like, so others can see this live stream.
Yeah, euro is dying. All euro pairs, they are dying. Like I don't know.
So others can see this live stream. All right. Nice. Thank you. You guys made it quick. All right. So Nasdaq, I'm bearish on Nasdaq. I'm seeing stocks crashing today. If not today, like I said, it should be Monday. But I'm seeing a crash here, and we can see how many pips do we see here? How many points do we see? We see almost 8,000 pips, right? Almost 8,000 pips. That's like 800 points. And I always say this, that if you come to the market and the market is presenting you with 800 pips or 800 points, what do? You try to divide it and look for
by two.
Exactly, by two. Exactly. So we are trying to divide it into two. So that means instead of our target being 13,000, our target will rather be 13,500. Let's say 13,500. So that means today we are going to be targeting 400 points. You can take your profit after 100 points. You can decide to take your profit after 200 points. You can decide to take your profit after 300 points. Taking profits is your responsibility. I don't have to tell you that, take your profit at this distance, take your profit here, take your profit here, take your profit here. Right? So this is what we are going to do today. So our first trade is going to be Nasdaq, right? I'm bearish on Nasdaq today, like I said. This for NFP. Yes, this for NFP. I see a crash today. NFP will crash and will give some fake pumps to the upside. Then the crash actually continues. So
I'm bearish on US 30.
you're bearish on US 30. We'll talk about US 30 later too. So
The result of currency pairs.
Pardon.
Out of currency pairs.
I just started the live stream. I'm talking about the setup that I've made. This is the first one. Okay, I'll talk about everything. Okay, let's be patient. I just started the live streams. Let's talk about Nasdaq. Let's focus on Nasdaq. After Nasdaq, we will go to the next trade. Right. So first trade is Nasdaq TP 13,500. That's 400 amazing points. 400 points. So like I said, you can target 100 points. If it gets to 100 pips, is a lot of pips. Trust me. If it's a lot of pips, 200 pips is a lot of pips. If you can make 100, 200 a day trading, trust me, in like 3 months, 4 months, you're going to be good. Right, so I'm just chasing 400 points because I believe there's going to be a crash. I just want to take advantage of this whole move, but then I don't necessarily want to force anyone to get into this whole, this whole opportunity with me, right? So you have to know which your account size and know which target that you are targeting. But once trade is in profit, it's your responsibility to lock profit, to take profits, or to ride on with me, right? So first trade, TP Nasdaq entry is at 13,900 and our TP is 13,500. Our stop loss would be a bit wide. Should be 14,000, not 1480. So stop loss 14,000. Right. So first trade TP. Let me write it so you guys get it. First trade TP 13,500, 400 points target. So 400 points in pips should be, I think, 4,000 pips. Right. Stop loss should be 14,000. Right. 14,000. I put 14,080 because sometimes trade can come for a fake out, come for stop hands before it goes down. So if trade is coming for stop hands, we'll readjust the stop loss to 1480 to make the whole stop loss wide, because this is a swing trade. That's why I'm risking a whole 100 points on this trade. So if your account size is not that big, stay away from this trade, especially those trading with $10, $20, $100, $200, $300. Stay away from this trade, right? You can also decide to risk your $300 balance, right? It's also allowed. Yes, I think someone has already put it on the chat, right? So that's going to be our first trade. I'm going to explain why is I always taking this trade. Why am I taking this trade? Very, very, very simple. Let me put this here. $13,500, 400 points. Risk management, money management. If this trade will hit stop loss and you cry, you come to my DMs to cry, don't take it at all in the first place. All right, so why am I taking this trade? Very, very simple. On a 30 minutes time frame, the trend is what? A downtrend. Price got here, rejected the whole level. Price got here, rejected the whole level. Price gets here again, rejected the whole level. Though a lot of people were expecting a breakout, I was looking for sells here, and price rejected this whole level. I think we need to see price come back to this trend line back. It's just some basic or some fundamental technicals that you guys know. So it's just a channel. I'm trading within a channel, right? Just some basic fundamentals, basic technicals that you guys should. So I'm bearish on Nasdaq, my TP 13,500 and 1,400 my stop loss. Who knows if Derive has NAS 100? Derive has NAS 100. How do you calculate your pips? I made a video on it on my YouTube. Kindly go check it out. I can't teach everything on the live streams, right? I can't teach everything on the live streams. You can also go to my YouTube. I think I explained, for those that want to do stocks, I did a video explaining how to calculate, I think, where is it where is it yes, I made a video. You guys can go check it. Why not trade a solid Europe trading tool? All right, cool. So this is the video guideline to trading stock indices: US 30, Nasdaq, SPS 500. All right, go watch this. Go watch this video. It's going to help you a lot, especially with understanding how whenever I say a point, whenever I say a pip, all those stuff. Go watch it. It's going to really help you. Let's go back to the chat. Always, can I take this with 350? Yes, you can, but understand that you are risking more than 30% of your account, because the stop loss is really wide. Stop loss is really wide. Okay, yes, you NAS 100 is also US tech, is also you see some brokers will say US 100, some brokers will say US tech, some brokers will say NAS 100. Right, they are all the same. So NFP in 40 minutes. Like I said, if you would cry, don't take this trade at all. If you are going to later cry to my DMs, always have blown my account, what have you, don't take this trade at all. There are other trades that could also fit into your account. I'm still bearish on NAS 100, right? Let's take the next trade. US 30. US 32. I'm very bearish on US 32. I'm seeing US 30 go to 32,200. US 30 has to go to 32,300. Like, it has to follow the crash. If Nasdaq is crashing, US 30 has to crash, BTC has to crash. They all correlate, So US 30 sells. I'm also going to take US 30 sells too, but at what price and at what point? Now we see what opportunity here, how many pips or how many points opportunity here. We see 1,100, or let's say 1,000 pips opportunity. Like I said, whenever you are taking a trade and you see 1,000 pips opportunity, right, try to divide. Yes, try to divide it by 2, right? So that means our target, instead of it being a whole 1,000 pips or 1,000 points, we are trying to target 500. So our TP on Nasdaq would be 32. Let's say 33,000. Our TP on Nasdaq would be 33,000. Also, we are targeting 500 points. Bro, I'm having 31 CDs. Should I invest? No. Don't trade. Don't invest. Just watch us. Like I said, accounts with $200, $100, those CDs. This is not for you. Stocks is not for you. Come on, guys. Let's be serious. You can't be a millionaire with 31 CDs. Let's be realistic. I'm not here to sell dreams to people. That come and bring 50 CDs, bring $100, bring $50. You are going to be rich. I'm not here to sell those dreams to you. You must have a capital if you want your business, to bloom up. If you want your business to bloom up, you must have a capital. That's why there's prop firms, so just to susunekoto prop firm. All right, we are going to raise 100 points here too. So our stop loss will be 33,600 on US 30. Our stop loss will be 36,300 on US 30. My stop loss would be, so I'm risking 1:5. This is 1:5. All my trades today is going to risk reward ratio 1:5. I'm just risking 1% of my account for 5% of my account, right? Like I said, whenever trade is in profit, so you can decide to take your profit anytime. So I'm in sales on US 32.
Are you in the sales already, sir?
Yes, I'm already in sales. I took the sales already. We'll talk about gold. Everyone should be patient, guys. Be patient. Always, I have $100 and I've been trading US 30 with you. It's, $100, yes, but unless you are using something as, you see US 30, there's going to be some pair like, US 30M. If your broker has this and you are taking trades with this, it's allowed. Yes, you can take US 30 trades with $100, even $50, but you see US 30 like this, without any M beside it. This is for small accounts, actually. This is for small accounts, this is for big accounts. So $100. Wait, we are going to take a currency pair. I don't know why you guys are rushing today. We still have 39 minutes to NFP. So please be patient. Okay, please be patient. Please be patient. Yes, US 30 is also called Dow Jones. So US 30, sometimes you see US 30, sometimes you see some brokers saying USA 30, sometimes you see some brokers saying DJ 30, some kind of stuff. It's like that, just like that. What about gold? Don't worry, we are going to talk about gold. Don't men rush me. You say men rush me. Then we are going to talk about gold. So 2 trades so far. We are going to take 4 trades. Don't take all the 4 trades, guys. Don't take all the 4 trades. Right? Don't take all the 4 trades. Look at yourself and ask yourself which trade will fit into my account. Just chase one trade. Don't take all 4 trades. Okay, don't take all 4 trades. Just chase one trade, and that's all you need. All right. Always, I've tested you about where to pay mentorship. I'll reply all messages later. All right, so 2 trades so far. Nasdaq first trade, second trade US 30. Let's go to the next trade. Let me explain something about US 30. Someone's asking why you bearish on US 30. Let me explain something on US 30. So I always said this, that the obvious is obviously not obvious. If you're going to depend on technical analysis to trade a pair like this, it's going to affect you. It's going to really affect you. So we had if you are going to draw a trend line, you could see when you draw a trend line, everyone was expecting price to, or US30 to, come to this whole level, come to retest this trend line again, because price came to retest this trend line. If you're going to draw a trend line from here, it's going to get here. So price got here, it should come here. Price got here again, price should come to retest this trend line. And this is what I always say, this is what institutions always do to us. This is what institutions always do to us. The obvious is obviously not obvious, because everyone was expecting buys to this trend line, and what happened? Price broke below and came down, right? So it's just price failing to break above. If it breaks below, it's a crash confirmation. I just hope my stop loss wouldn't get hit or smashed before the trade actually goes according to plan, because I'm really expecting a crash today on NFP, though the news is not yet out. Someone was asking what's NFP. So NFP, non-farm payrolls. All right, I'm going to talk about it a bit. Let's just make our setups and focus a bit. All right, okay, so our next trade, we are going to talk about gold. Uma, you're bullish on gold, right?
Yeah, for now I'm bullish on the gold, but I'm seeing that the highs will be violated and then it go down.
All right, so this is gold. Gold looks bullish to me.
Bullish, yeah, it looks bullish. I'm just holding it.
Gold looks bullish. If you're going to look at silver should give you a guideline of what's going to happen on gold, and silver is consolidating. I think we should leave gold for NFP. We should trade gold New York session.
Yeah, actually. People also expecting US30 to sell, gold has to buy.
Yes, if you're expecting US30 to sell, gold has to buy. That's a confirmation. But I don't want us to take gold US30 sells and take gold buys, and gold will sell, US30 would buy. You're going to quickly blow your account.
Your office is good.
So,
if someone has
yes,
taken
I'm
it
very
for-
good.
no,
So I just
okay.
want to stick to one trade, one setup, and risk on it. If it goes well, voila. If it doesn't, voila.
No problem.
Yes, gold can sell too. I don't have any news on gold. I only have news on oil, and I don't want to trade oil and I've never traded oil on NFP. I will never do that too. I have a reason for that. Gold. Let's see. I think we should trade gold after NFP. What do you
Yeah,
guys
that
think?
was better.
I'll trade gold after NFP. Let's see how the price, because price is consolidating on silver. So let's see how the price, reacts here in this liquidity zone. If it breaks above, we are likely to see 1974 on gold. If we break below, we are likely to see 1920 on gold. So let's see.
I've noticed that gold also, it likes doing this, it's like following this pad or dab, this dop and
Yes.
I personally think that even if gold gonna go down, it's gonna go up like till 1955, break the highs and then go down.
I'll
trail the
risk
stop losses.
for gold sales though. I'll risk for gold buys though. I see it's having a potential move to 1974. I see that, but I don't want to take this on live stream. It's just going to be a personal trade. Maybe put my stop loss 1934 and target this, or maybe 1960. I don't know.
It's bullish on daily, it's bullish on weekly, so we can go for it. Like we can wait what happens in the NFP.
No, I'm not
and
going to
go
give this
outside.
signal. I'm just going to take it personally. There's going to be a personal setup. Berlin trades. I sent you something on WhatsApp. Okay, let me check my WhatsApp. All right, so high lows. Okay, Berlin, let me send you the Zoom chats and join us now. Let me send Berlin the Zoom chat. That's my big brother from India.
The price action.
Yes, price action. Price action. So price action, I've sent you the link. Join us and let's communicate. And let me turn off my data. I see a lot of tests. I don't know why people are testing me when they know I'm busy trading. Hello, bro. How are you doing? Hey, I feel my baby sir. How are you doing? You didn't get any time to ask me how am I doing. When I make what, try to make money, you're asking me how am I doing. All right, so I'll reply all messages, all Telegram messages later after the session. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here today. All right, so gold. I'll be taking buys on gold, but then I'm not going to give any signal out because I don't really see the movement of gold. If it's going to break below this, you're likely going to see 1920 or 1915 even. But if it breaks above this two, you're likely to see 1960. You know, it's scary. Please tell us when to take the gold, but I'm not taking a gold trade yet. I don't think we'll just watch gold. I'm not taking a gold trade. We will just watch gold. It's healthy that way. It has to pull back down. Okay, gold has to pull back. Someone says gold has to pull back. Let's see. Let's just see how it plays. I don't like taking trades that, you know, you think about it. You know. All right, and let's talk about card JPY. We have a card news also coming today. Card JPY. I'm bearish here. I'm just waiting for price to, you know, this noise to be cleared. Price gets a clear breakout, a rate test, then we can see some bearish move on card JPY. We are going to actually take the trade, but then we will take the trade after the rate test is done. And I suppose the rate test has to get done during NFP, because we are going to see some erratic movements, some lot of volatility in the market, which will push the price down. And that's when a lot of people would, you know, institutional trading, I always teach this, a lot of people will fall for these sales, will quickly take sales with big positions, and price will now fake them up here. And sometimes a lot of people's stop loss will be here, and their entry will be here, and their TP will be here, you know, and their TP will be here. So what if you take the trade gets into profit, quickly gets to your stop loss, then comes down? So why don't you wait for the whole move to happen? So the whole move is what I explained. You're going to see some break below a rate test, and price gets here. Someone is asking what's NFP. NFP is traded every first Friday of every month. Every first Friday of every month, and it's just USA giving employment updates. They are just giving up figures. For example, if let's say we did 200k jobs this month, we did, let's say, 160k jobs last month, this means that we have a positive news. If let's say we did 150k jobs this month, you know, and we did, let's say, 100k jobs last month, you know, this is also a positive news. Another example or another scenario, if let's say in March USA and February USA did 200k jobs, and in January they did 250k jobs, that means there's been reduction of the job price, so there's a decrement. So this is a negative news. So if the news is positive, we do the inverse of the news. If the news is negative, we also do the inverse of the news, most likely, you know. So that's NFP. Will US 30 drop? I hope so. I hope it drops. because this whole structure now becomes a bearish structure for me, like bearish. Okay, lower highs has been formed here. We should see a lower low. Kind of, if you are doing technical, this is what you should know. Always, I see Nas buying to the level 13,272 before a huge sell. Wow. Let's see. So that means he's saying that Nasdaq needs to come here, before the sell to fake a lot of traders out. That's possible too. That's why we have our stop loss in check. That's very possible. That's very possible. Everything is possible in trading, right? Everything is possible. Once someone gives his opinion on the chart, I think that, try to reason with the person. That's what the person is also seeing. But I just see,
No, you're correct.
Pardon?
You're correct. It's a website from Discord where I saw the news before the news.
Come again.
It's a website in Discord community.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. From there I watch news before the news.
All right. So you're also thinking there must be a pump before a dump, right?
Yes, exactly.
All right.
And I told you just now, gold. I shared you one screenshot.
Yes, gold. I'm not taking gold too.
I sold in 1948.
You sold
And,
gold 1948.
48.
Let's finish with Nasdaq before we come to talk about gold. All right. So this is even playing in the liquidity zone. So why don't we wait for price to break, below before we take the sells? Or
I just wanted to catch 80 pips. After that, I'm out and post NFP. Now gold is very strong.
I'll still hold my trades. I'll still hold my trades.
Exactly. Agree.
Because
dollar index is very strong.
Yes.
It is extremely strong.
Yes.
And since last week, I was watching when euro is following. Now see the equilibrium last week. What is happening? When it was following, the dollar index was following euro. Okay, both are inversely proportional, but GBP was stalled totally.
Yes.
GBP was going up. So as you can see in gold, due to this all this commodity prices.
All right. I like suggestions. I like people correcting me. Always, I think it's going to happen before this happens. So gold. Gold. I didn't take any trade on gold though. I haven't taken any trade on gold. I haven't taken any trade on gold yet. So sells on gold, right? To what price? To maybe 1924. It's possible. It's also very, very, very possible.
It is running almost.
Yes, very, very, very possible.
I told you, it's a Discord.
I'm not going to take any trade on gold. I'll just wait after the news. I'll take gold sales after the news. So maybe we might close Nasdaq. Maybe we might close Nasdaq. Let's see how the news reacts. And I think in 21 minutes. It's better we trade post NFP. What do you think? I'll trade gold post NFP. I just want to see. I don't want to load lots of trades. I already have 2 trades with big lot size. US 30 sells. I have US 30 sells. I have gold. Sorry, Nasdaq sells, and I have CAD JPY. I'm watching CAD JPY too. I'm waiting, like what I explained. I'm waiting for it to give that breakout retest, then we'll see a big, so I'm watching it too. I'm watching that one too. Yes, I'm using high lot size, very big lot size. Guess the lot size though. Boss, US30 is rising seriously. How? I don't get it. It's still playing around entry. Like I said, if you are going to cry, don't take these trades at all. Okay, creative moves, don't take this trade at all, please. Please, I'm begging with you guys. Right, if you are later going to complain, or keep your stop loss in check. If you think your stop loss is going to make you lose money that you are going to cry, don't take it at all. Don't take it at all. This is not a women's game. This is which application are you using, please? This is trading view. So what do you guys suggest we close? Okay, all right, Rajat, I see that. Gold.
Whenever there is a buy opportunity.
Gold, I don't know. I'm looking for buys on gold. But I'm
yeah.
on gold.
But
you're expecting a pullback. I do understand that clearly. You're expecting some pullbacks, then the buys happen.
Yes.
So I would also wait for the pullbacks to be done.
Banks wants to manipulate.
Yes.
Okay. Banks wants more seller to jump in. Once the algorithm activates, it goes up.
Yes, exactly. It does the opposite.
I already made 800 USD.
Amazing.
I'm thinking I will go out of the trade.
Amazing.
It is time to reverse it.
Always close US30. Why? Always close US30. Like I said, guys.
If you are confident on your trade, don't close it.
you get
no
me.
matter who tells you.
Yeah, you get me. If you know your buyers, you know what you're doing.
I told my buyers because it's a confirmed thing. So I
for gold.
Yes.
Okay, you took buys on gold now.
No, I sold gold now. I have not taken buys on gold.
All right, so you're now waiting for confirmation. So
I sold gold and I have moved my SL to B and waiting for the NFP result.
All right, cool. So let's wait for NFP results. Results in 17 minutes, right? 17 minutes.
16 minutes.
16 minutes. Yes. Let's see. Always, let's put sell stops if you are not sure. If you are not sure of what, I don't get you guys. Sell stops here. Price can come for sales and boom up. No matter what, I always risk 1%. No matter what.
I just bought the gold and now I have done it. The break even. I have the trade from 1930 and it's like almost break even.
All
Let's see
right.
what gold brings up for us today. But I'm
Yes,
still
I would
like
trade.
bullish on the gold,
I'll
whatever
trade
this
gold.
NFP
I'll
would be.
trade gold after NFP.
Yeah, but
Uh,
my bias on the gold is like I'm still bullish on gold, gold,
yes, I'm very
whatever
bullish on
even
gold.
NFP is,
I'm
because
very
it will
bullish on
respect
gold.
one of the level and it'll go up. And I'm seeing like even if it drops, it will go to like till 1930,
Hmm.
and then like it's go up because I see a lot of liquidity on the tops, a lot of like liquidity on the
Hmm.
top,
Hmm.
and it hasn't cleared it yet.
I agree. I agree with you. But there will be a fake out. Then will be a massive movement.
Yeah, that could be like a
See,
kind of
see,
turtle
see.
soup.
What is order block? What is order block?
Yeah,
Okay. What is order block? It's a country. You will find in gold chart. Okay.
yeah,
Go to 4 hour chart. You will find so many order blocks. Okay.
yep,
Order blocks is a continuation of propulsion block.
yep. I know that.
Okay. You will see lot of order block, and in when bullish momentum you will
On which
see
time frame?
Yeah, on the 4 hour, I have seen a lot
on
of
4 hour. There will
order
be a
blocks, and the other order block becomes a propulsion block. So I'm on it.
yes.
There you go. So someone would say, I have to wait for this to break this whole zone, but it will be late. You also miss these pips. Do you get it?
Yes. I told you I made
You also miss
a
those
80
pips.
pips. Then I closed.
This whole thing is a risk. If you can't take the risk, you can't take the risk. This is not for you. It's very simple.
Yeah, it's all the risk game. If you are like if you have fear of losing, then it's not your game.
It's not your
Go.
game. As simple
Yeah.
as ABCD. You know.
Exactly.
Anyways,
Keep.
I'm running in 20 points. Draw down. What should I do, brother? It's not for you. It's it's not your
Always
game.
believe in your trade. That's it. Like
All right, US 30. Let's see.
I follow price action a lot. Like his group, he's a very
Yes,
good
yes, he's a
trader.
very knowledgeable trader.
Yeah, he's very good trader. I mostly when you were away, I like he used to give the signals for NAS
I
and
would
Germany
link up
30.
with him and prior action we work together, right?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. We are a team, right?
Yes, I and price action will work together soon. Maybe he joins my academy. I don't know.
That
Price,
that
Professor
will be so
Berlin.
good.
pardon.
Professor and Berlin.
Yes, Professor Berlin.
When you are in the vacation, I told Elvis is professor, and at that time only money is means
No, but you guys know I don't like currency pairs as compared to how I like Nasdaq US 30, like stock indices. If but I think Berlin does more of currencies
yeah, currency and gold.
and gold.
Yo, this buy has gone good. Like almost gave.
All right, so 12 minutes more. I want to take gold buys too, but I don't want to take 3 trades.
Like I am taking buy for now because I see a propulsion block here and I have a trade running from the dips in the gold. So it doesn't matter if this trade goes and take
No,
my
it's bullish. Gold is bullish.
Yeah, so
It's
like
bullish.
I'm bullish on the gold. As price
Gold is
action
very,
mentioned,
very,
is a
very
propulsion
bullish.
one.
If you are even going to use trend lines.
No, sometimes what happen now? Banks manipulates means it mitigates. And
Yeah,
that is a
it's.
big
I
one.
think it's mitigating here. What do you think? What's your bias on it?
I am bullish on gold.
Yeah, I'm bullish on gold too, and I see like a
but
kind of mitigation
but
happening
Berlin
here.
was saying it needs to
The
Pull back.
tops
I
are
told
too
you it
pull
clean.
pulled
back
back.
this trend line at
Uh,
least before it goes up.
I made 80 pips, then I'm out. I'm out of the trade.
Alright, so you're out of that trade.
Yes.
Yeah.
Always check GBP JPY. Okay, let's check GBP JPY. It's selling.
It's bleeding. It's bleeding.
It's bearish too because I remember last time I think we caught just 100 pips and we left it. This double top, some called it how do you call it, M formation. Everyone has a
Yeah,
way
the
of
M
I remember
pattern like
yes, we
that.
did it last week and boom, So this was my final TP actually.
No, actually, always
Yes.
according to my smart money concept, there is a breaker block.
I don't really, talk against, people's concepts, right?
Yes.
If smart money says, there's another block, breaks this,
Yeah,
go do
it's
this, you've made money, right? And that's what matters, that's what matters.
I don't see like that double top. I see that like as like the distribution happened over there.
Yes, a distribution
Yes.
breaks,
Then again it
a
went up like
distribution
yeah, and
breaks,
it go down.
everyone and how
They
he or
mitigate the
she
orders.
sees
They
the
mitigate the
market.
order, and then it went down again.
Everyone and how he or she sees the markets. Everyone
But
and how he or
always
she sees the
I'm
market.
very bearish on gold. Sorry, Nasdaq. I have been watching Nasdaq. It has to go 13,200.
Nasdaq.
Yes.
Yeah, Nasdaq has to go 13. I think what was my TP? But I'm just scared of. Trust me, I'm just scared of stop hands. That's my
Yes.
problem. I'm just scared that institutionally price can come for stop hands here before
Yeah.
it goes down. That's my only problem. 9 minutes to NFP. I'm holding Nasdaq US 30. Those are the
I'm
only
holding
trades
gold buy.
those are the only
You're in
trades.
profit. I said no. I booked profit in 1940, and from its propulsion block power.
Gold
Yeah,
buys,
it was
gold
a
buys,
propulsion
gold
block
buys,
over
gold
there on the
buys,
4-hour
gold
chart.
buys,
You're
gold
right.
buys. So
I took
sh-
another buy from there.
we can take gold
but-
buys if you guys want. I don't know.
Always wait for that.
Wait now, like
No,
if you have taken it before.
After how you call it? After
Yes, there will be a
after
big
NFP.
takeout for stop on. Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
after NFP we would take some gold buys because I think gold could come for stop hands. Then like what happened the last time we traded gold on NFP. You guys saw it came for stop hands. I think we were sells. It came for stop hands, then boom, went down. So we have to be very careful.
Yeah, he's right. Price action is quite right. Like even if the data comes in like against the gold,
Always check
then it
GBP
could go up.
USD. Okay, let's quickly check GBP USD for this person. Alright, GBP USD. I think you don't need to trade this. It's already done. The sales has already been done, but we still have some volume. We still have some probability of price to push down to this whole downside. Look at this. Price actually had a breakout, a distribution, a breakout, few pips more to the final tip. It's best you don't trade it at all. Look at how many pips are you going to be getting from this. 89 pips. Let's just leave it. Let's just leave GU. I'm bearish on GU though, but let's just leave it.
Yeah, GU has to go down till those
80
lows,
Yes, to the new lows. But do you know what can happen in this market? Fake them out. Let's go to the original direction, something like that. So I don't want to load a lot of trades at a go. I don't want to load a lot of trades. Keep your stop loss in check. Risk management, guys. Risk management. You can be a good trader, you can be a smart trader, but if your risk management is not in check, trust me, you are going to be losing. Euro USD too, I'm not trading it too. There's blood in the streets. I'm not trading Euro USD too,
So
though I'm bearish on it.
Only few 90 pips.
Yes, just few 90
pips are remaining, then dollar and USD almost will be equal.
Yes, there's no need of taking a trade at all. 7 minutes to NFP.
Let's see, yo.
We can lose this trade. We can win this trade. Be prepared for both. Be prepared for both. Euro odd. I'm not taking Euro odd today. I don't know.
Guys, let's focus on some few pairs. Don't go
Yes.
for like all the pairs.
Yes, all the pairs. Just some few pairs. Someone said Nasdaq has to go up.
Let it be.
Okay, cool. This is my bias, and this is what I'm thinking. So if you're thinking something opposite, do the opposite. You know, if you win, you win. No trade on GU. Yes, I'm not taking any trade on odd USD. I'm taking only a trade on Nasdaq.
You see, always go to 4-hour chart.
Yes, let's look at gold. I'll be hurt if gold really pumps during the NFP. If it pumps during the NFP, I'll be very hurt. I'll be like, yo, I've missed this whole opportunity. You know, I'll be very, very hurt.
So
But you
missing an opportunity is not bad.
It's not bad.
It's,
The market always presents us
yes.
with another opportunity. Definitely.
Yes.
Definitely.
Saving your capital is
the best. Is the best.
Yes, best. Yes.
You can lose your capital today and see a nice opportunity, but you don't have capital to trade. You know, it's always
I have a good robot which trades in range bound market. No news, nothing.
Good.
And it is doing quite well.
Great.
All right, so 4 minutes to the news. Be ready for the West.
Elvis, USD ruble is allowed to trade right now?
Yes, no, it's not allowed to trade. Even stocks, Russian stocks are not allowed to be traded here.
Otherwise, we would have made huge money.
I tell you, bro. Nasdaq, don't fake us out before going to our direction.
Yesterday, I think yesterday or day before yesterday, Price Action posted a trade on gold, maybe yesterday. And I had I'm new in these concepts, so I had the same idea, but when I saw him, he's doing the same. And I took that trade with with a good margin. And then it went down and then it started going up. I had my profits and I let one trade running with the stop loss. I saw that as a mitigation. I thought maybe if it's want to go high, it will take my SL. But I was plenty sure. I held that trade and it was boom, price action. You were right. Boom, 1914.
I made I even shared the screenshot. I made 7.6K.
All right, so 2-3 minutes more. 2-3 minutes more. We cry today. We laugh today.
I'm bearish on Nasdaq.
I'm bearish, but I'm just saying that there can be
See, Elvis, there are so many traders now doing FTMI challenge. They are seeing a lot of money. They are placing huge lots.
Yeah.
That they are doing their accounts in this way. Tell them not to do that. It's not a gambling.
One day they will learn the money management. They lose a lot. Maybe because I believe we all have been through that period when we lost a lot and then we got lessons.
All right, so Nasdaq still playing around entry. 2 minutes to the news.
2 minutes.
2 minutes to the news.
Let's go.
DXY is what's DXY doing? It's buying, so definitely gold has to buy, US30 has to sell, Nasdaq has to sell. Let's see.
DXY is buying, gold has to sell. If DXY is buying,
it stalls due to this market sentiment. No?
Yeah.
Now paper currency is no more valid if Russia captures Ukraine. That is the reason gold everyone is purchasing, selling their stocks. Equity market and purchasing golds. That is the reason.
Yeah, it's a safe haven the Japanese currency.
Yes. See, if you go back to 300 years, 400 years, 1000 years, gold is the best thing you can trade.
Yeah, save the investment. 1 minute to go.
It already started. The
Price
moment
action.
started.
You holding your gold cells?
Still,
No, he
I'm
isn't.
actually I've taken my profits on
Wow.
1941.
Yeah,
But
I
it
took
is
that. I took a long from that propulsion. I took some profit and the holding one
it's
with the
okay.
break
Move
even.
SM to B. Be
Yeah,
safe. Save your capital always.
yeah. I'm holding at the break even.
Okay, then it's okay.
All right, so Nasdaq, wow.
Positive. It's
Wow.
positive data. Positive.
I think the news came out positive. I think the news came out positive. Let's see. Still, stop loss hasn't been hit. Crazy. NFP.
So gold should be selling then.
Gold isn't selling. All right, so 1 minute into the session, Nasdaq in drawdown.
As per the news, it's negative for the gold, means gold.
I'll take
Yeah,
gold
it's negative.
after I'll take gold buys. I'll be bullish on gold. I'll be bullish on gold. I may even
That's
close
from
Nasdaq if it's yes, gold has to sell for now. I'll do the opposite of the sells after NFP, right? I'll do this the opposite of but it's not really selling like it's selling, you know. It's still playing around this zone. 1944. Let's see. US 30. Wow. I may even close Nasdaq and wait for another entry. I don't know if it breaks above this whole thing. Let's see. But though I'm still bearish on Nasdaq, I'm still bearish
the
on
news.
Nasdaq.
The news being bullish. Why are you being bearish on Nasdaq now?
I'm trying to do the opposite of what everyone is doing.
Okay.
You know
You're
how
just
I
being
should.
you. Yeah, you're being you.
If the majority is saying, okay, let's buy, always will do the opposite and sell. Beleno, what do you say?
Now I'm holding Nasdaq for sell. It has to go 13,200. Even if I have to swing, I will swing.
Yes, I was swing too. Maybe put my stop loss, somewhere far away.
And you small lots, innit?
Yes.
See, in this 4-hour time frame, there is a big gap. There is a big fair value gap. It has to fill.
Yeah. The
On what
FVG.
time frame?
4 hour. See their downside.
Yes.
It has to fill.
But the question is, will it fill today?
See, it's this big candle. It is called as liquidity void. It has to fill.
So gold buys.
Yeah, at least
later.
15%.
I'll be looking for
first.
yes. So I'm still bearish on Nasdaq, but I may close and maybe take another re-entry. I don't know. Take another re-entry later.
What's your lot size, Elvis?
10.
10.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. In real or FTMO?
No, real accounts. FTMO is just 1 or 2. Are you bearish? Yes, I'm bearish on all stocks, but then we could see a pump price going for some pumps before the whole move happens, Let's see. But I may likely close my Nasdaq if it breaks above this whole zone, I may likely close it. Wait for the fake outs to finish, then I would look for some sales, think there's a swing trade because we are targeting. How many points are we targeting? 400, right? Oh, it's 4 hours. No, my stop loss hasn't hit. My stop loss hasn't hit. So if your stop loss has hit, that means you have to go for a re-entry. Okay. You have to go for a re-entry.
Elvis, you see something? I'm just actually checking the news right now. It came out positive, and technically, US tech is supposed to sell, like it has to drop. But now news came out positive. These are things that contradict you at times that were just like, damn, man, skip trade.
I think this NFP is not really volatile. Always I see Nasdaq going to 247. If it does that, I would, like I said, I would just close my positions here, some positions here, just wait for the whole move to happen. You know, if it's going to come to retest the trend line, then I'll take a proper sell. You know, but
with the way NFP started, I'm thinking it's going to dump and pump. It's going to pump and dump. Sorry.
Yes, something like that. Something like that.
You said the NFP not being volatile. Is it because of the war or something?
I don't know what's really going on. Because see, a lot of retail traders are looking for sales. I'm looking for sales. Someone is looking for sales. Someone is also looking for a big sell on stocks. They know this. Market makers know this. So what they would do is, let's try to cut them all off. You know, then go for their direction. Do you get it? So let's see.
Yeah.
I know a lot of people have changed their minds to go long, which is also good. Like if they are going long, I'm still bearish, you know. But then I just want to see if price breaks this zone. I'll quickly close the trade. I'm still holding in drawdown. Quickly close the trade, then wait for the whole erratic movement to happen before taking the trade back again. I still US30 will sell 2. It's doing pump and dump. Okay. Non-farm payroll 678 versus wow. So that's positive, like a plus. So negative for gold price. We are looking for sales on gold price. Let's see what happens. The day is still young. It's a swing trade. Today I'm swinging. I'm not scalping. That's why I haven't really, you know, like held my trade or something. I haven't done anything. Let's see.
See, Elvis, I had experience of scalping. Scalping always will lead to loss.
Yes, scalping would always make you change your mind quickly, because if you see price buying, you'll be like, no, my sell is incorrect, and you see minus $200, minus $300, be like, my sells are not incorrect. You quickly close the trade. You know?
Yes, and sometimes some brokers, they don't give withdrawals. They don't allow scalping because the money didn't go to the LP, liquidity provider.
So let's see what really happens. US30 back in to entry.
Very soon. So
Nasdaq almost back to entry. Those are the two trades I had. To gold, I'm still seeing. So let's see.
Come.
Let's mute our audios. You know, someone's heart is beating. Boom. I haven't taken any trade on gold though. I haven't taken any trade on gold. So are we going to see a crash today or nope? but I think this NFP was, I don't know what happened. Very slow.
It will take half an hour to settle down because buyers and sellers are confused. What
Yes,
to do?
everyone is confused. It's just like people are buying, people are selling. We don't know what's going to push, the market.
It
The
will take
liquidity
half an hour to
and the
settle
volume.
down.
Yes. So let's see. I think we will see the whole move around New York session. We'll see the whole move around New York session. Wow, 10 lot size. I saw almost minus 4,000 on my account, and I'm seeing plus 300. I'm like, wow, that was quick. That was quick. I think it's better to swing. If you're going to scalp, yeah, if you're going to scalp, trust me, it's going to. You are going to be changing position. You say, okay, it's going to buy, let me buy. It's going to sell, let me sell. You're just going to be chasing the market here and there. It's better you swing with me. What time is New York session? New York session is in 1 hour, like not in 1 hour, but in like 15 minutes. But let's see. I think there has to be some movement before New York session. Gold is also selling. Wow. Now Nasdaq back to original entry. US30 also back to original entry, even with little profits. Wow. So this was like a fake out. Nice. What do you mean by swing trade? Swing trading is actually you are holding the trade for a long time, right? Scalping, someone will take a sell, will close here, will re-enter, will close with profits. You make a lot of money with scalping, but with swinging, you just hold, you just put your stop loss here, your TP here, and you don't really care about what happens.
Obviously, look at US30 now. It's following the principle.
Yes.
Pump and dump.
Gold is gold. Yes, gold is gold. That's why I don't want to tamper with gold. Is Berlin here? Are you still in gold buys? The fake out kicked, I said this, if the fake out kicked you out with your stop loss, re-enter. It's very simple. You don't need to. It has kicked me out. It doesn't bring your money back to you. You have to action.
Always most of them are amateur. I have experienced one person. And, I have seen one person, and he is holding a US30 trade from 17K. Can I imagine?
From what? He's holding US30 trade from what price?
17K.
17K.
Yes.
Buys.
Yes.
Why? I don't get it.
Yes, his name is CEO Millennial. He said I am having
yeah. Position traders. Okay, cool.
Yes.
If you have money and you know that Trump is going to boost the economy or boost stocks, you buy. If you know Biden is going to crash the market, like USD was 36K some months ago.
Exactly.
45K is now 33K. If you know Biden is going to crash the market,
but if you will see long term,
equity market it always gives you profit, and
Yes,
commodity market gives you loss.
yes, if that's if your account size is very big. You know, a lot of us are retail traders. A lot of people watching me are retail traders. Their balances are these $200, $300. They can't position trade. They can only
Yes,
come here, make $50, and they are done. You know.
I agree. I learn. I'm learning indices from him, and he said I'm having 4 kids. I have lots of responsibilities. That's why this money is required for their education and for their business. We want them to. That's why he is holding that trade. Actually, I learned patience from him. He is having huge patience, really.
Sometimes your money will determine whether you are going to have patience or not. Sometimes, just sometimes. Because imagine you have 10 million in your account. You just open some position. You don't even care about. You don't even use stop loss. Because you know that price can come for stop. You are not scared of stop hands because you know price can come for stop hands. You can
Exactly.
hold and you know
And
it comes back
during
down.
the class, Elvis, do you imagine? He said, "You know what is my swap charges? It is $16,000 right now." Still, he is holding it.
All right, let's see. Gold. Now I'll be looking to trade gold. GU, I don't know. GU is still selling. GJ is still selling. Gives us the whole meme. Gold buys too. Yes, so gives us the whole, you know, gives us the whole momentum to go for gold buys. The news came out positive, right? So it should have been negative for gold, right? So gold should have been selling, but why is gold buying? You know, these are the questions that people need to understand about fundamentals. US30 should have bought, right? Because the news was what? Positive, right? But why is US30 now selling? Do you get it? That's why I always say this, that if 90% of people are doing this, I want to be part of the 10% doing the opposite. And that's how I trade. Because I know that this is just coming for stop hands, kick everyone out. The 90%, let's buy, it's positive, let's buy. Then bang, comes down. And the 10% will win. And the 90% will keep complaining. But we've been reading books, but your mentorship taught us that if gold is positive, you should do this. If this is positive, you should do this. But you know, sometimes that's why I really like institutional mindsets, or I really like bank traders. You know, the way they think outside the box from retail traders. You know, from retail traders, they think outside the box from retail traders.
And you can see like a lot of people putting in a lot of volume in gold when they see the data is positive.
Yes.
What gold is doing now? It's going up.
It's
I'm
going
reading.
up.
I know from where I have to sell it.
I wanted to take buys on gold. Or we should still wait for New York session because I still see gold has a potential of, you know, pushing up.
US30 is dropping, so gold has to buy.
Buy, exactly. US30 is dropping, nice. Nasdaq is dropping, so it's basically me swinging today. I'm just going to be swinging, put my TP, my stop loss, and you know.
Actually, Elvis, it's the sentiment of the market. The sentiment of the market is equity market is down and commodity market is up. Simple.
Very simple, you know. Do what the 90% are not doing.
They are selling paper currency. Yes, they are selling the paper currency. But though the
immediately started buying for that NFP release.
Yes. Even Precious said it. That it's going to be a pump and dump. That was why I was saying this. I kept on repeating this on my on the live stream, that I'm just scared of trade coming for what? Stop hands. You know, that's why I put a wide stop loss. You know.
Elvis said dollar index.
DXY, okay. It's buying or
It's down. It's down. So yes, there.
DXY is buying. It's buying, pushing up. That means if DXY is buying,
Is
what
bullish,
happens?
then all stocks go
First,
down.
let you have to
Yes,
fall.
all
Stocks
stocks
have to
down.
fall.
Good. What I taught you guys, the same thing. So XXX
Exactly.
USD does what? USD XXX what?
SSX
Goes up.
USD buy, USD SSX sell.
XXX USD what goes down. So you are going to see GBP USD falling. You're going to see USD XXX pairs going up. Let's make an example. USD XXX, a pair like let's say GBP USD, that's XXX USD, right? What's happening? It's selling. A pair like USD JPY. Let's look at USD JPY.
To buy.
USD JPY. Where is it? Why don't I have USD JPY? Okay, USD JPY. Let's look at USD CH. You could see it's what? It's pumping. You know, so you just need to know these basics. You are good. US 30 back in profits. Back in profit. Nice. Just little profit. Nothing to be glad of. Nothing to be glad of.
I'm always on live class. I'm saying a very simple example. Okay, those were for beginners. It's an example. Those who don't know trading, they do a hedge fund of DXY 0.01 in a demo account, in buy side and in sell side. It will be an indicator for them.
I don't think you don't hedge with when news are coming. When news are coming out, I tried that severally and it didn't work for me.
Not in a demo account. That is only
Okay,
to know that
okay.
the power
Cool.
of the index.
Yes. So let's say you are going to take buys here and you're going to take sells here. That's basically hedging. I don't do it, so I don't teach people this. So you put a buy here, you put a sell here. So it's like you've opened two positions at the same time. You've opened a buy and you've opened what? A sell. You guys get it? So let's say you open a buy and price will get into profits, you know, then you open a sell limit, you know, price will get here and will also sell. So it's like you're holding buys and holding sells and the price is somewhere here.
And actually, it's in my point of view, it's just for watching the power of all index. For example, you are using a broker, you're watching Euro index, okay, Eurox, DXY, then AXY. You have bought all hedged position in a demo account, just to look what is going on, which index is stronger, which currency pair I can trade. Will make beginners concept very simple.
Yes, definitely. US 30.
Elvis, yeah, your US 30. The total number of pips is how many again?
5,500 points.
Okay. Because me myself, I'm taking 100. So when I saw your TP range, I was like, wow. You know, you normally take 200. So I was surprised.
Let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I see a crash on Bitcoin. Another crash incoming on Bitcoin. 37k is possible. 37k is possible. Today, stocks is crashing. I said this at the beginning of the week. Though I didn't really get how it was moving, this week. I lost some monies this week, but I know that the direction is imminent. So you can also swing. I love swinging. You don't have to worry yourself about, the noise that's going to be in the market. There's going to be a lot of noise. Sometimes my market will go up, come down, go up, consolidate, come down, that kind of. But the target is the target. If you are targeting the targets, you don't have to worry. Wow. Whenever you take a loss in trading, right, don't beat yourself too hard. Don't beat yourself too hard. I always say this: whatever the market takes, same market will give you back. Just relax, chill, take some time off, and come back to the market. USDT, I think, in just 50 points profits. I want to trade New York session. That's why I'm still hanging on here. I want to trade New York session. That's why I'm still hanging on here. I know those that didn't join this live stream probably closed their trades because of the spike up whatsoever. But if you join, Papi, please check Euro GBP. Don't take any trade here. It's selling. Don't take any trade here. Or maybe you've taken a position and you want me to help you with. So this has been playing in a wedge, right? A downtrend, so you're looking for selling opportunities, broken below these lows. Nothing to do here. I'm basically going to be looking for buying opportunities, but there's not going to be the right time. Just let there be a sign to go long. Don't just buy, Let there be a sign to go long. Confirmations. Gold buys, right? Uma, let's take gold buys. I think I'm hungry for gold buys.
Yeah. Why not? Always ready.
Russians will say ya gatov. Ya gatov.
Yeah, I see a big volume in the gold.
Do you have Russians here?
Yes, now is why you guys want to fight now. That's why you guys are fighting. You guys are always ready.
Ya gatov, I'm ready. Yes. Tuesday Asian session was I tell you, Tuesday's Asian session was the real. It was because of the news that came out. But let's see. Let's just focus on today's own. I want us to at least catch 200 points before we end today's live stream, if we can. I just opened gold buys. I don't know. I just opened gold buys. Who will join me? Who is joining me? It's really good. Rajat's Telegram link. I would put it on my Telegram. Rajat, do you have a Telegram channel? He's in my VIP, right? So we shares those stuffs in the VIP chat.
Yes.
Right. So I'll take your Telegram link and post it on my channel.
That will be great.
Right. I love to see traders win. US30 might tank down to 33,177. I thought someone was saying US30 would go to 34,000 blah 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 before the sales happen blah blah blah.
It's just that there's no much volatility. I don't know why.
No, because there's going to be New York session in 30 minutes.
Oh, okay.
There's going to be a New York session in 30 minutes. The NFP was the fake outs. The NFP was because if news was positive, let the news come for that 100 pips liquidity grab or 50 pips liquidity grab, then continue with the initial algorithm, and that's what's happening. So let's see. It's just patience. We are swinging this, so it's just patience. At least if you've never had a swing in your life, this is your first time swinging, just follow through. It's annoying sometimes, but it's worth it. Trust me. It prevents you from blocking a lot of. For example, you've gone for gold buys. You just put a stop loss here, put your TP here. You don't really care about whether price is coming here. It's either trade hits your stop loss or hit your TP, or you take your profits. Very simple. Most of the time, whenever I'm swinging, right, I don't look at the charts. I don't look at the charts because once you look at the chart, the market will also present you with new opportunities or different opportunities to close positions, and if you're not emotionally strong or psychologically strong, you would close positions. Always buy CHF Swiss JPY. Danny, you said Nasdaq would buy before sales. What happened? Or you still change your bias, or you're still staying with that bias? Why are we going to buy CHF JPY? Explain to us why you want to buy CHF JPY. Because I don't see buys now, I see sells. I don't see buys, I see sells. Look at this. I still see sells here. I still see sells here. So why do you want to buy this? I don't get it. What's the confirmation? It looks bullish. How? Yes, I'm not doing any analysis I'm not doing any analysis on synthetics. We'll trade synthetics maybe tomorrow. All right, so I don't know, should we hop out or we should just wait for New York session, which happens in 29 minutes? What do you guys think? Should we hop out or wait?
Like, if you are confident, don't ever lose on your trade. I will suggest
No,
you. Like,
I'm not talking about the trade. I'm talking about the whole session. Should we end the session and?
Yeah, let's end the session and see the market. If we get a good opportunity in gold, you can post it. I'm already in bias, gold bias. You are too. And let's wait for like, if people want to buy, it's up to them. Buy at your own risk. Don't come to Alpha's inbox and
but
keep crying.
But as per the news, it is negative. Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
So should we hang on the live streams? I'm just saying, should we hang on the live streams, or we should just hop out of the live streams?
Wait for 20 more minutes. We have waited
cool,
for a long time.
So let's just wait. Let's just wait, because we are just going to sit here talking, waiting for 28 more minutes to see volatility in the markets. Right?
Yes, sir.
So let's wait. Let's keep waiting.
Why somebody will buy Euro CHF? It is so bearish.
Euro, always I see Euro USD kindly look for, always Euro USD looks bullish. Why?
No, all Euro pairs.
Look at this.
All Euro pairs are dying.
Look at this candle.
Didn't you do that XXX?
And look at DXY. I already explained DXY to you guys. You know, XXX USD pairs should what? Sells.
It will drop.
USD XXS pairs are going to go up. I explained that concept to you.
Yeah, you have explained it. And
so
if
why
you see DXY is continuously making higher highs.
I understand him, because he feels that if, you know, there's this thing that people say, buy high, sell low. Sorry, buy low, sell high. So he's thinking that price has gotten low. This is not cryptocurrencies, guy.
Yes.
Price has gotten low.
Let's do one thing. Share them now. One comparison between DXY and Euro X.
Yes.
Then we will understand.
Futures. They don't really get that one.
Yes.
There is a very sorry, Rajat bro, for interruption. Sorry.
Yes.
There is a very simple rule. You can see DXY is continuously making higher highs, and Euro is continuously making lower lows.
Very simple.
No, I know. I want the viewers to see.
Yeah.
This
is for the viewers. Like, you can see if DXY is failing to make a new high and your USD is making consecutively a lower low, then you can see something is happening. But there will be a quarterly shift.
I wouldn't personally take this trade, because I see momentum. There's a whole support here, you know. There's a whole support here. Why don't you wait for this whole thing to go fill this whole support, you know, because there's whole range here. Price has to keep on pushing down. So when price pushes down, then you take your buys or something. I don't know, but to tell me that you are looking for buys here, I don't know. Because odd USD is buying. Come on, guys, you keep on chasing the market, chasing everything, you know. You keep on chasing the market, chasing everything, which is inappropriate. Right, and US30 to just hold it. You don't need to. If you see it buying doesn't mean it has to buy. It's just a swing. Today we are just swinging. We don't need to scalp.
25 minutes more and we see gold
yes, 25
going
minutes
there.
And we will know. We would really see the direction of the market, especially with this whole volatility in the market. Right.
For now, the orders are building up. Let's see.
So if your psychology is down or you don't have faith, or you're not brave in taking your own trades, you know, definitely follow through.
See, always.
Yes.
See, open dollar index. Okay.
It's selling.
And open dollar index and see it has to go to 97,369. Not right now, but it will go.
Yes,
for
of
sure.
course. There will be a pullback as usual, definitely.
Because the reason is.
But not today. I don't think it's going to happen today.
No, there will be a huge drop. Okay, and that day all equity market will blow up.
After the sales are done, after the crash is done, it's not going to happen today. Don't think of it happening today.
No, it will take 2 weeks to happen.
Next week, I'm aiming at next week, maybe Thursday or Friday.
Yes, it has to fall somewhere around 800 or 1800 points, the dollar index.
Pull back to this whole zone, then maybe another.
Maybe in 30-minute time frame, you will find a gap, a fair value gap.
It's here. Don't worry, it's here. See it. All right. US30, please smash TP1 for me. Smash TP1 quickly. 433, 400. His voice is like Jackie Chan. Whose voice? I think it's a bit disrespectful though. Oh, come on. Rajat, now I'll call you Jackie Chan.
He's a famous celebrity.
Papa Mino says, if you're a lady, please don't trade US30. Why is that so? I know ladies trading US30, but US30 is very volatile. You know, it's very, very volatile. Before you even think before you even think of taking or placing a trade, price is already moving, you know.
Yeah, on US30, you have to be reactive, not predictive.
Exactly. We have to be very reactive. If you see a sell, take the sell. If you see a buy, don't overthink, because before you even start looking for, you know, history and all these, I don't know, trade would always hit your TP or something.
Still waiting for the gold to blow up 90-50.
What is gold TP and gold stop loss? So gold, if I'm taking a gold trade, which I've already taken a gold trade, I joined Rajat and Umar. I joined them, and if I'm taking a gold trade, my stop loss should be 1936.
1942.
1942 actually, not 30.
If I'm using a tight stop loss, price is currently at 1946. If I'm using a tight stop loss, I'll put my tight stop loss below this zone, which should be, let's say, 1941, right? Or let's say 1942. To raise, let's say, 40 pips for how many pips? Let's say I want to target 1960 or 1960. That should be like 140 pips. So I can raise 40 pips for 140 pips. That's like 1 is to what? 1 is to 3 point something reward ratio, right? Makes sense.
Fair deal.
Yes.
Fair deal. So let's try that. Tight stop loss on gold, right? Tight stop loss on gold. Risk low here. We already have two trades running, right? You don't want to be caught up in both. So stop loss on gold, 1942, 41. Let's put 41. and our TP will be 1960. So gold buys TP 1960. So far 3 trades, and this is going to be our very, very, very last trade. This is going to be our very, very, very last trade. This is going to be our very, very last trade. Let me send it straight to the VIP. Just the VIP, guys. I have $10. By the way, which trade can I get? I don't get it. Someone says use it to buy Fanta.
Buy Fanta.
Buy Coke. Use the $10 to buy Coke. Don't trade with it. For real, don't trade with $10 on US 30. Sometimes it sucks to wait. You know, you be on the chart, you keep on waiting. It really sucks. Please send a trade to the group. People paid for signals. I need to feed them first. You feel me? But since you're here, you can also take the trade. Go gold. So we are so far in 3 trades. Gold buys, stop loss 1941, TP 1960, US 30 sells. Very, very wide trade. Nasdaq sells too. We are just waiting. So 17 minutes till New York session opens, and we would see our stands, our real stands. You know, our real stands. Will it drop more, or will we, you know, bleed out?
News is just an excuse to move the market in the opposite direction.
Is it wise to give signal on NFP? This is a mistake that a lot of signal providers do. The real question should be, is it advisable for you to use the signal provider's signal on NFP? You know, that should be the question. You can't come and blame me for posting a signal. You should blame yourself for taking a signal. I didn't force you to take it. But is it advisable to keep looking at trade or positions open? No, it affects your psychology. It affects it because you see, if you are looking at your money, you see minus 100, minus plus 100, it goes to 50, it goes to, it fluctuates, So if you see, let's say $200 in profit and it goes to, let's say, $15 in profit, how will you feel? You feel like, why didn't I take that money? You feel hurt or something, and that will force you into scalping. Next time you see $100, you try to take it, and when you take that $100 is when you could be making $500. So it's not advisable. That's why I love swinging. That's why I love swinging. Always, please, why do you always put on headsets? Wow. I don't know. It's just part of me. And I don't like it when there's noise going on in the environment or people talking. I don't like that. I always want to be.
It is like zone. AMC, active noise cancellation.
Yes. I just want to be in my zone, listening to music or All right, so let's see. In 14 minutes, we will definitely have a rest, I think.
Yo, waiting for it. 14 minutes to go and we get a direction.
So we've stayed on this Zoom for a long time. Let's see what happens.
Yo.
Focus on making money. Yes. Now. Yes, we're still holding. People have started tagging me already. Please tag me after the trade is done. Don't tag me now. Don't tag me now. Tag me after the trade is done. I see some violent sells though coming in on US30.
BTC needs to retrace back to 37K.
No, it wouldn't. It's going to short. If you are buying Bitcoin, I don't know why you are buying Bitcoin now. Why you are thinking Bitcoin needs to?
Yes, it's bearish.
It's bearish to 37K.
See that candle where the algorithm has taken the trade. It's totally a liquidity buy.
All right, 12 minutes more. I know some would already give up. I'm also trying to give up, but Rajat and Umar and Bernard, David, Precious, Emmanuel, they are keeping me here. Guys, you guys have been seeing me. Let me also see you guys too. Rajat, let's see you. Bernard, let's see you. Emmanuel, let's see you. David, Precious, let's see you guys. Come on, it's like I'm the only one doing this. Let's all see you. When we lose a trade, let's see how you also react. Someone was like, Elvis, whenever we lose a trade, your eyes becomes red. I'm like, should my eyes become blue or should it become pink? Let's see, Umar, I'm waiting. Bernard, okay, Precious. Hey, David Selassie, fanboy, like fresh. Guys, girls, he's single, Hey, Ben, what's up? They are cute guys, yo. Ben, what is wrong? The way you are talking. Have you lost a trade?
Oh, no, I not get. You said last time I told you that I need the thing, but I did not get, so I'm just learning.
You need what thing? Okay, should we talk private?
Yeah.
All right, test me. Maybe I've forgotten. Test me.
I did Russia, so maybe if we can even meet, no problem.
Oh yeah, this is Bernard. Okay. Afro Cruising or something.
Forget.
Okay. So I have a lot of Bernards.
I know.
All right, cool. So yes, he needs BTC. Okay, cool. Then we'll sort it out. I'll try and sort it out. Bitcoin is falling, so it's very, very hard for us to sell our Bitcoins. You can see.
I just want to find out.
All right, I get it. Imagine someone bought Bitcoin at 50k or 60k, and you are like, sell your Bitcoin to me. It's like, why would I? That kind of vibe.
Yeah, so. Yeah.
Let's see. Nice to see you.
When are we going to have our call?
Tomorrow I should be free.
Okay, sir. So should I do like 6 p.m. your time?
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm even having mentorship, so we can even talk before mentorship.
Okay.
I'm having mentorship.
Yeah, we're really looking forward to that mentorship. We need to be updated.
For sure, yes. Especially with the stocks. Yes, tomorrow we're going to be doing
and synthetics as well, Elvis.
Pardon?
And synthetics as well. Stocks
Haven't you noticed that I've lost the grip for synthetics? Like I don't really fancy synthetics like I used to.
Yeah, I noticed those. More
signals like I come out once in a while. I'll send step index. That's the only thing I watch. But let's see. Let's see. The reason why I'm doing that is there's a lot of people that want to fund their account and trade life, blah blah blah. So I've put the focus and the energy on US30 and the other trades.
Elvis, if I'm in the Forex group, the VIP, and I want to go for crypto, is there any discounts?
If you are in what?
I'm already a Forex student. I've bought your Forex course already. I want to buy crypto. Is there discounts?
Of course, there should.
Okay. What is the percentage?
Of course. Just DM me. I pray I reply. Just call me. I don't know why you guys want to test me. Call me. If you call me, I don't understand. Answer. I think this week my phone has been on do not disturb. So sometimes the call comes in, it doesn't even ring, and it goes off.
That's why last week I think I called you, but there was no answer.
You wouldn't even hear a ringing tone, you wouldn't even hear anything. Gold rapid buys coming. Okay, let's see. All right, so 7 minutes to New York session. We've waited a long time. I hope we don't lose, because it wouldn't be worth it staying on a live stream for almost 2 hours and losing the trade. It's not going to be a good thing. It's not going to be a good thing. I sent you the CHF JPY. Okay, let me look at it. Let's look at CHF JPY. Gold buys too. US30 sells. NAS 100 sells. CHF JPY buys. Danny, I understand your setup. I haven't looked at the setup though, but what I see is I see some sells maybe to this whole zone before the buys happens. I don't know, because I don't see this buying quickly. There was a nice distribution here, broke out, another candle has opened. The whole range is pointing, the momentum is pointing to the downside. I don't know why you are looking forward. We're not gonna lose, legend. I hope so. This is the market, guys. I don't control the market. I only give what I see, out. I only give what I see out. That's all.
Always, the other time you took a sell on US30. And the way you took your profits, I was quite confused. You took your profit very quick. You didn't even wait for one candle to even finish. And after you took it, immediately you took it, it reversed. What was the psychology behind that? Yeah, it was on a live stream.
Okay, so it's basically, let's say this is my TP, right? And don't wait for trade to even hit TP. Sometimes when trade is coming in, this is a liquidity zone, this is a liquidity zone. That's another liquidity zone.
Okay.
This is a liquidity zone, that's a liquidity zone, that's another liquidity zone. So once you see price targeting or nearing a liquidity, you shouldn't wait for price to get into the liquidity zone. You should take your profit before it even gets there. And that's okay. what I did. Very, very simple.
Okay, but one thing that I was worried about was that when you were explaining risk to reward ratio, that when you place a trade and let's say 10 pips stop loss, 20 pips take profit, right? That's 1:2. If first trade you take your profit at your 1, which is 10 pips, you take it, and the second one you lose at a stop loss, which means that you've cancelled your profit.
Yes, it's best that way. For example, let's say you take a trade and there's your entry. So guys, 4 minutes to New York session.
Yeah.
4 minutes. If there's your entry and let's say there's your TP, right? There's your entry and let's say there's your TP. And your trade comes into profit. This was your stop loss, initial stop loss. You move your stop loss towards your entry, right?
Correct.
Good. You move your stop loss to your entry. So that means this now becomes your stop loss. And if trade comes here and comes to hit back at your stop loss, you basically lose your what? Your profit. You don't lose your capital.
Yeah.
And the only way you are going to go far in trading is you're allowed to lose your profit. I always say this: lose the profit, don't lose the capital, because you can use the capital to make another profit later. And don't get hurt if you lose, because a lot of people when they lose their profit, they get hurt and they want to revenge trade. They want to come back to the market and make their money back, and which is not the way to go.
Okay, I get it.
You get it. Rajat has not shown his face. Rajat, let's see you. Hurry. Mr. Rajat.
Yes.
We are waiting. Everyone wants to see you. They want to see the genius behind the phone.
Actually, the whole day I've been coding and bad shape. Okay, anyways, I'm putting my camera on.
We are waiting. All right. Elvis beat Kojo brutally. What brutality? What's that?
Elvis, I notice I'm noticing a slight pullback on gold.
Okay, to the downside, yeah.
Yeah. At least a sharp drop will be there. I'm expecting, as per the news, so that the bank will put more money from the retailers and push it back.
All right, let's see.
It's like money injecting back again to the market.
Wow. But gold is already in profit, little profit, 20 pips profit, I think.
Yeah, at least move vessel to B, I will say.
Tuesdays, Thursdays are the best days to trade. Avoid Fridays and Mondays. That's true. But it's always justice here. So always justice. That's what he wants.
1 minute more.
1 minute more to the New York session. Those on the live Instagram feed, join us on YouTube, my YouTube channel here. Join us, let's trade. I'm out. I was live on Instagram. Just 50 people joining. All right. So let's see. We've suffered a lot. We've waited a lot. Let's see if it pays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. Gold, please push up. Gold is pushing up. Nice. I'll let you know when we are going to move stop loss to entry. I think I'll move stop loss into entry after 52. Good,
Yes, I
because
agree.
our entry was
Yes.
47, so 52 would be a nice, area
Yes.
to move stop loss to entry. Yes, so we can protect our capital. Set entry on US30 at 33,950. I don't get you. 33,950. You mean it's going to go to 950? Come on. Okay, it's possible. I don't want to go against that, but that's not my bias here, and I pray it doesn't go there too.
It's open.
Okay, so New York session has opened. Let's see what happens. Nice. So we have 3 trades. US30 sells, Nasdaq sells, and Nasdaq sells. Nasdaq is going back a bit. Let's see. Let's do wait. And I think gold buys. So after 52, you can now move stop loss to your entry. After 52, because our target is 57 or something. Nasdaq wants to be stubborn. US is also pushing up a bit, but still in profit, in little profits, still in profits. Nasdaq too is pushing up in a drawdown. Actually, Nasdaq is in a drawdown, but let's wait and see what happens. Gold in 40 pips profits. So let's see.
Yo, Alvis, gold. Wow.
Are you not checking your phone or something? Are you not checking?
Sorry, I was away. I just came now.
All right. All right, so I'm confident about this gold buys. Very confident about the gold buys.
Yeah,
Just Nasdaq needs to behave. Nasdaq needs to behave. US30 should hit first stop TP. Then I think it will be good. It will be good if US30 is in profit. Gold is in profit. We don't really care about Nasdaq for now, though we are still aiming Nasdaq to also go to profits. But for now, we don't really care about it. Wow, US30 TP1 hit. Wow, my Telegram just jumped 61k. Why? What's happening to it? Is someone boosting it for me? I don't know. Wow. Keep sharing the link, guys. Keep sharing the link. Keep sharing the link for me.
You always
share. You are sharing.
Share. This can you share? Anna.
No.
All right, so my TP2 is at, like I said, there's a swing trade. Does demo affect the market? Demo he says, does demo affect the market? I don't know how to answer that. Someone should answer this person for me. Wow, gold. Beautiful. Yes, sir.
I was waiting for your reaction. I know you've not seen it.
I have not seen it. I'm just here.
Haven't you seen the gold? It's like
it's 80 pips.
beautiful.
80 pips to wow.
Propulsion block is respecting.
Yeah.
Wow, 80
All right,
pips.
Rajat, you're right.
80 pips.
Like, who is saying that audio blocks? Like, I
Me and
just
Rajat.
And US32 is also following suit, selling out too.
Nice. But I just want gold to hit TP, then we would be free. We know that okay, this TP has hit. We don't need it. You know, just 40 points, 40 pips more. Nasdaq should behave. That's all we did now. I had one position on Nasdaq. I'll close gold very soon. For some reasons, I added another position on Nasdaq. I did add. Right, US 30, TP, just TP1 hit. For some reason, I added another position on Nasdaq. I think there's a fake out, but let's see. Gold. Please hit our TP. I to even go to 1960, right? What new position on Nasdaq? No, I mean I added one position. I opened one position, 10 lot size, but I've added another position, 2 lot size on. So I'm running 12 lot size on Nasdaq. So I think I'll watch that instead. That's where my guap is. US 30 is just a hold and chill, hold, swing and chill, hold, swing and chill. US is a hold, swing and chill. Nasdaq is a hold, swing and chill. Gold is a hold, swing and chill. 3 trades running. Nasdaq stop loss will soon hit. What do you mean by stop loss will soon hit? When I'm holding this trade with 12 lot size, bro.
Gold is going fine.
Yes, gold is doing well.
Wow.
Nasdaq,
hit the TP.
Move your stop loss to this. Use this stop loss. It's near which TP?
1960.
Wow.
Gold is near 1960.
Beautiful on gold. Wow. Beautiful on gold.
Yo, people were selling and we buying.
Yes, exactly. that's the algorithm I've been explaining.
You know, I'm like me with the Rajat. We were like confident about the tops. Those tops were so clean, and those needed to be like broken in our concepts, the concept with which we trade, and it did so.
Yes. Because it's all about sentiment also, no? Market sentiment is purchasing about all the comics, right? So that is the reason.
Yeah.
Market sentiment, then paper currency, so many things are there.
Yeah, you're right. Totally right.
And also SMC concept, as per the SMC concept also it is following. So why not?
Yeah, the buy stops were taken and you know stop loss.
OB followed by PB. Order block followed by
propulsion. Yeah, it was propulsion over there on H4. So finally, it's near TP, just 15 pips to go.
Let's reach the TP.
Yeah.
All right. So TP is 60. If we hit
Yeah,
TP,
60.
we should be up 130 pips. 130 pips.
Yeah, will be like how much percent growth with this?
At least I can say, in my perspective, 15% account growth.
Yeah, 15%.
Exactly.
Yo.
Exactly.
We just risked 40 pips.
That is the power of compounding.
Yo, exactly.
You know, some would want to make everything quickly. You know, they want to make everything in a single day.
Boom, boom, boom.
While making money, also what they do after making profits, what they will do again, they will start trading, and they will lose.
NAS is now your NAS will be doing fine, Elvis.
Yes. My NAS is back on 20.
NAS has to go 13 to 200.
Yeah.
1000% sure.
I'm targeting 13,500 actually.
Yeah.
According to our plan.
For
but the whole
trading,
target is 13,000. But I know some people would hit 400 points and still be targeting this, and I feel there's going to be a pull. You know, market wouldn't sell like this. You know, it wouldn't sell in that line. It was you know, come here, have a pullback or retracement before it continues up. And I know a lot of people will fall for that pullback, you know, to go buys, and some will even overtrade and they'll see this and close in losses or something. So I just want to be disciplined. You know, you can see how it's rejecting. You can see how this whole thing is rejecting. This candle is rejecting. It's about to be it's about to get started, because US has already taken the lead, you know. Let's wait and see. I didn't enter gold. That's good.
Yeah, we took it. Like, it was a kind of risky trade, and
no, someone was saying on the live stream that I didn't enter gold. I'm like, okay, that's fine. If you didn't enter, that's cool.
Yeah.
You know, that's cool.
Before taking this trade, you mentioned, like, if you want to trade, you can take it.
Yes. Their capital is safe. They will trade on Monday. No issue.
I would hop out, I think, in 60 minutes. Let's just still wait. Like I said, there's going to be a crash, and it's today. US 30, I wouldn't be surprised for 33,000. You know, I wouldn't also be surprised for Nasdaq 14,400. You know, 14,500.
Elvis, I'm telling in live stream. Okay, go in this trading view and search for an central bank. I sometimes sent in the group also, central bank dealing range. Okay, search that indicator. Only 9 people are using it. I'm also one of them.
Which one? Central bank?
CBDR. It is CBDR by Gubler.
Okay, wait. Let's see.
That's the time when central banks comes in and push the price up and down.
All right, let's see what Nasdaq does. I think
You will
gold
find
should be
out
done. Gold should be done.
yellow,
by now.
yellow, yellow square.
It's
All
gold
right,
down now.
I got it.
You got it right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's my
it's
governor.
very good. You need to know the day range every day. Asian day range.
I think gold, our full TP hits, then it start retracing, but it's still in healthy profits. Taking profit, it's your,
You can say gold. Our hit our target 1959.236.
Yeah, it hit our target. It's a broker
Yes.
shit. Like I closed one and closed two and holding one. Let's see if we can get go above that 1970 level. Let's see.
Nasdaq now behaving good. Nasdaq now behaving good. Beautiful. US 30 also behaving good. Beautiful.
Rajat, you use in which time frame this CBD?
In 1 hour, 2 hour, you will see.
Nice.
See a yellow box. It is forming.
Yeah, I saw
and
it.
Basically, central bank comes in London Open. Okay. It comes in for 1 hour or 2 hours. Then it goes out.
Okay, got it.
You do the top-down analysis. Okay, from daily to you will find a yellow square is forming.
Yeah, I just saw
so
it
30
on like
points
it's near
more
2
to
p.m.
TP2 on US 30.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Beautiful. Nasdaq is also behaving good.
I'm
Yeah,
done.
got it. I saw some yellow boxes. I'll talk to you on it later. Thank you, bro.
It is very good. And next live session, I will say one more thing.
Yeah.
That is very good. It's helping me a lot in trading. All these are not indicator. You can call it as a tool. It is just a tool.
Okay.
It's not an indicator. It's just a tool to find out when the banks comes in. That's it. They started manipulating the prices.
Okay. I'm watching some boxes, and I'll talk to you later about the mechanism.
Yes.
Okay, bro. Thank you so much for this tool.
Well, let's see if we would hit at least 33,200. Obviously, the guy is good. Which guy? Yes, Rajat is good. Very knowledgeable.
Yeah, he's very good.
If you do anything that makes you money, how you understand the market, do it that way.
Elvis, where's Benzema?
Where's
Karim.
Benzema? Karim, I haven't heard from Karim in a while. I think he left my page.
Yeah, he left one time, but I thought he came back.
Nah, he never came back. I don't know what I did to Karim.
Karim.
Karim Benzema. I don't know what I did to him.
I gotta give pressure too much.
All right, so I would leave. I think we are in nice profit today. Today was beautiful. US 30 running 170 points, like I assumed. That's 170 pips. If you're a forex trader, how long does it take you to do 170 pips? Nasdaq is also going well, 50 points or 50 pips. Even if you're a forex trader, you can see it's not easy to be catching those pips here. There, TP1 hits. All right, so let's see. Russian ruble is not trading anymore. It's been banned, so we are not looking at that. Someone's asked.
Elvis.
Yes, sir.
I'm about to start the FTM with something, and I'm a bit scared because I decided to have my own strategy before starting. But then I wanted to ask.
You don't need a strategy to pass FTM. You need a plan.
Okay.
A well-documented plan. At what end am I closing? At what end am I closing this trade? At what end am I closing that trade? At what end am I doing this? At what end am I doing that? You know.
Okay.
So you need a plan. Because call me video call. Let's make a plan.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll talk about that soon.
Don't worry, tomorrow we have mentorship. I'll put the plan out there.
Okay.
Just join the mentorship. I'll put the time tonight.
Okay.
All right. Great.
Yeah, me.
Sure, definitely.
I did tough times.
Elvis, the BTC trade is moving. Yes. I said BTC to 37K earlier, so it's all crash. Everything has to crash today. You know, everything has to, respectfully. All right, so I would leave you guys here. It's almost 10 p.m. my time. I'll leave you guys here. We had a fantastic trading day. I'm still holding US 30 for 33,000, but I may hop out at 33,200. I don't know. May hop out at 33,200. Nasdaq too. I may close at 13,500 or 3600. Okay. And BTC, I'm in sales on Bitcoin too. Yes, and I'm in buys on. I closed my gold buys actually at 59. I don't know if you guys did also close, but I'm out of gold.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
Secured profit, and I'm done for the day on gold. So I'm just holding US 30 and Nasdaq for the swing sales. All right, I appreciate everyone. I love everyone. Bernard, thanks for joining us. David Selassie, thanks for joining us. Emmanuel, we need to talk. I don't know. Now I'm going out, so we will talk maybe tomorrow before the mentorship. Tomorrow's mentorship. Emmanuel, I'll give you the time. Definitely. How's Ukraine?
I left Ukraine.
You left Ukraine. Where are you now?
Are they hungry?
You're hungry. So you guys are not going to school?
Nah, everything is destroyed.
Okay, great. Sorry about that. We'll definitely talk. So at Hungary, are you living in a hostel? Or I don't get it. Are you living in or there's a refugee camp or something?
Nah, refugee is not good. Like we took a 3-month stay in Hungary, so I'm looking for my way out here.
Okay.
So it's just like renting. Just like renting places to stay. Very tough though.
Right, I'm sorry about that. We'll definitely link up. We'll definitely talk. Right, so
the link we shared in the group, on the Telegram group.
Pardon?
Or the link of the mentorship tomorrow, will it be sent in there?
Yes, definitely. I'll send a link to the group.
Okay.
Precious, thanks for joining us. Uma, my trading partner, thanks for joining us. Rajat, God bless you for joining us. I hope
we need to talk.
We do more.
Yes, we'll talk private in video call.
Yes,
okay.
Definitely. So guys,
I'd like to join that private call.
It's almost 10 p.m. now. I wouldn't be able to answer any calls tonight, right? I'll just be able to reply some few messages and I'll be out. Haven't slept
All
in
of
a
you have a
long
nice
while.
weekend.
So have a
Enjoy.
nice weekend. Keep holding the trades, and God bless everyone. If you made profit, tag me with your profits on Instagram at Elvis Justice Official _. If you lost to, do tag me. I'll repost it. Okay, so people know that you lost. All right, so thank everyone. Do like the video. See you on Monday. Monday I'll be back trading live. Right, I'll be consistent trading live. So see you guys on Monday, and have a nice week. Keep holding US 30, target 33,000. Nasdaq targets 13,400. So let's see how it goes. See you guys, and bye.
Bye. Take care, everyone. Safe trading.
Sure. I want that private call. Where is it?
Alright, so do tag me on my Instagram at Elvis Justice Official _ if you made profit on your stories. Don't post it. You don't need to post it on your stories. Okay, do tag me. All right. God bless everyone, and see you. We out.